Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and the problem will be fixed. In the first step, go to search bar and type here task scheduler and then click here to open it. Now on this window, we need to simply right click on this task scheduler library, then click on enable all task history. Once done, close this window, then go to search bar, type your task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to open system32 folder. Here it is. Double click on it to open it. Then find out cmd.exe file. Keep scrolling down until we found. So here it is. Select it and click on open. Now check this box. Create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Now close all the background windows. Here we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. So you will get all these commands in the description below. Simply what you have to do, you need to just copy one by one. For example, I'm copying this command. You will get these two commands in the description below. Simply right click on it and copy it. If you want to paste on the command prompt, we need to simply right click on the top bar of the command prompt window, then go to edit and click on paste. Then you need to simply hit enter to execute the command, then copy the second one, again right click here, select edit and click on paste and hit enter. Once done, type exit and we need to simply restart our system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our pin a description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue, and effective one also. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.